this is me, and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare pizza, and I also seen it from YouTube only. So today I'm going to prepare it in my oven, which is there are some ingredients, or I can say toppings, which it's green chili. I have cut it in a circle shape. These are some onions, these are some tomatoes, and I have made this dough of maida, and I have added into it little bit of sugar, little bit of baking powder, and some curd, 3 to 4 spoon curd, and little pinch of salt. Spreading my dough in this tray. I'm trying to pour this pizza pasta sauce on top of it. After pouring the pizza pasta sauce, you can spread it as per your choice. So I have added all the vegetables as per my taste, or which is available in my house. Now I'm going to sprinkle this mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put more cheese because we don't. So I have covered the whole pizza with this cheese because my husband likes to eat this, but I don't like it. Like oregano and chili flakes as per your taste and requirement. So now it's ready to go inside the oven. So we will turn on the mode of pizza. Tray inside the oven, and I'm going to close it. It has a pizza mode, so I'm going to press it and let's start it. So after 40 minutes this pizza is going to be prepared, so we'll show the final result. 14-minute timer is done, and I think my pizza is ready. This tray is hot. I think I should get it outside to something else. Final look of my pizza. I think this is gonna taste delicious. If you like my video, please like it, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, take care, bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video and do some comments. Thank you.